This shower filter removes chlorine and scales in your shower. It's time to fix your water. I'm from WECO Filters, and today I'll show you how to install our shower filter and shower head combo in less than 5 minutes. Step 1. Remove the old shower head. Remove your old shower head by turning it counterclockwise. If it's stuck, use a towel and pliers to loosen it up. Once it's off, wipe the pipe threads clean. Wrap your Teflon tape clockwise around the pipe threads, exactly 7 times. Make sure to leave the very end first thread at the end of the pipe free so tape doesn't block the water flow. Grab your shower filter and add 7 rounds of Teflon tape to the outlet and make sure to leave the last thread free. Ensure the rubber washer sits flat inside of the top of the WECO filter. Twist the filter onto the tape pipe clockwise, tightening it firmly with your hands. Check for the rubber washer inside your new shower head. Thread it onto the filter clockwise and hand tighten. Turn on the water and let it run for 20 to 30 seconds to flush out any harmless carbon dust. If you see any tiny drip, turn off the water and give the connection a firmly twist.
Go.
That's it. If this video helps you, please give it a like and subscribe to get your WECO shower filter system today. Click the link and description below. Thanks for watching.